morning and welcome to wash day. This is about day 5 of what my hair looks like after I've done it curly in its natural state, and it needs a good wash. Also happy for me, it's haircut day. I got showered, I diffused my hair. I'm going to let it finish air drying while I do my makeup. On days that I have haircuts, I really like to make sure that my makeup is done because when you are looking at yourself, you will feel better about your hair if your makeup is on. At least that's how I feel. I'm doing something new today that I have never done before. I have never had a virtual haircut, and believe me, it took me a hot minute to be convinced that I could do this. I scheduled an appointment with a curly girl hair specialist. So she specializes in curly hair, which is exactly what I'm looking for. And something new that I've also never done is have a haircut with my hair curly. I've never done that. I always straighten my hair, go in for a haircut, and the haircut is always tailored to my straight hair, and then I make it work for my curly hair. And I think that I need to do the opposite. I don't plan on straightening my hair anymore. I've like committed to myself that I really want to embrace my curly hair and really work on it and learn how to do it. And I feel like I've come a long way, but I know that there is still so much more for me to learn. And so I'm just like kind of diving into it. I'll tell you what I have done before. I have cut my own hair because when I was a teenager, I asked my mom, not a teenager, I was like 11. But I asked my mom, I said, I really want to do like a lot of layers in my hair because I knew that when my hair was curly, it was like heavy. Like I could tell that at a young age, because her answer wasn't, yes, of course, Bonnie, we'll get you a haircut right away. What else do you need? I was like, fine, I'm gonna take matters into my own hands. Like it wasn't just like fast enough for me, you know? I was such a brat. But I went in the bathroom and I just trimmed up my own layers, like cut full-blown layers into my long one-length hair, and you know, it was not bad. My mom didn't even get mad at me, I think because it like looked really good. That was kind of like when I started thinking about doing hair. So I do have my cosmetology license. I have experience with my own curly hair, but like there's so much to learn about it that like that's what I'm really after, is like learning about my curly hair. And what a sad blush brush I am using. My makeup is all the way on and I am ready for this Zoom call. I'm praying that my internet is like good enough for it, you know what I mean? So I need to like set up a space, and she has some pretty specific requirements. So I need to be against a solid wall. So many reasons why I need the fireplace off is because 1, it's noisy, and 2, I'm gonna be a hot mess while I'm doing this. So anyway, I think I'm gonna go against this wall right here. So I just need to like move all this stuff. Guys, I am literally so nervous. I am so nervous. I really hope she is as good as I have heard, because my hair is in her hands, even though it's literally in mine. I'm going to do what she says and trust her. And I'm cutting my own hair in my basement, like, oh. So I need a towel. I need like stuff to go below me so that I don't like make a mess. And I'm gonna change my shirt because you know, you don't want to get hair slivers. I am sitting down to start my Zoom call, and honeys, I am nervous, to say the least. Mamma mia. Okay, here we go. Hi, sorry. Everyone talks about curl pattern. I have zero idea what curl pattern I have.
People get so fixated on that. They're like, okay, am I a 2A, a 2B, 2C, 3A? A lot of that changes, you know, based on, okay, maybe your hair looks like it's more of a 2A, 2B, right? But when we cut it and the curls have less weight and then it shrinks, it's gonna be like, oh, my hair's 2C, you know? So it's kind of more like, how dense is your hair? How fine is it? I mean, if you had to put a number letter on it, I would say maybe 2C, 3A, maybe, probably in there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna, careful with those shears. Poke yourself in the neck. And then you're gonna slide down. We're gonna figure out how much to take off. Yeah, let's just start there. Just a good starting point. And then bring your fingers up like this, and then you can just cut straight up.
Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. I'm putting so much faith in you.
See how much better it looks already. You just did one little cut. Gather that again, and then slide down.
Bring it up. Yeah, the mirror is nice to have.
Yeah. All right, now let's get to the other side.
Okay. Whew.
So satisfying though, isn't it?
You know, it really is.
All right, and now you're just going to measure the front with the back. Okay, go ahead, cut.
Whew.
Okay.
Hmm.
Do that one more time.
Do not mind my little computer stand. My internet was such garbage, Joel. It was so awful trying to do it. I mean, look at all those little cute curls down there. You would think that this would be more horrifying than it was. It really isn't. Considering the difference in my hair, that's not that much hair. All right, are you guys ready to see this after? These are called rounded layers. I feel like I can't stress enough the importance of getting a specific curly rounded layer haircut if you have natural curly hair, because I feel like, I mean, it takes on a complete different shape. Don't you agree, Joel and lady?
Oh yeah, the round hair is so perfect for curly hair, I feel like. The round shape.
Yeah, because I told you, huh, honey?
No, because just like looking at it.
And just looking at it, it looks really good, huh?
Yeah.
There is so much more shape to it, and it's incredible the volume that it gives just by taking the weight. So like all of this hair right here that you can see that's a little shorter was all the same length down here. And so it just like weighs it down. And the second she had me like cut it, it like lifted, and I don't know, it
totally
feels
makes
a lot
sense.
better.
Yeah.
And she did say, she's like, your bangs need to grow out a little bit. They're a little short, which I agree. They are a little shorter, like when I did cut them. But now I feel like my bangs are just a part of my hair instead of just like bang and then like long hair. So
It's too.
feeling pretty good.
It's cute.
Do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Okay. Yay! Even though there is snow outside, I am putting on sandals because we're just running out the door real quick. Earlier I talked to Bree and Derek Miller on the phone. They also do vlogs here on YouTube, so if you don't know who they are, I will put a link for their channel in the description below. They're like good friends, and they live here in the same valley as we do. And so anyway, I was talking with him, and he jokingly was like, you can bring a loaf of that bread over to my house. I was like, you know what? I am absolutely going to. And so I took one of the breads that I put in the freezer, and we're gonna drop it off to them because I think that sounds like fun. Do you see how quickly the snow is melting? It's like you have first fall, and fall lasts for like a week. Then you have first winter, and then it goes to second fall, which lasts until like November.
December-ish.
November, December, like right before Christmas. Then you get second Christmas, which lasts all the way until like March. Then you get first spring, which lasts for like a month, and it starts warming up. And then you get third winter, which lasts for like a weekish. And then you get, what am I on? First or second spring?
Second spring.
Second spring.
I don't even know if you get second spring. It just goes to summer.
and then one day it's just hot and it's summer. And that lasts for
4 months.
Oh, I was gonna say barely 3 months. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
August is
We get a very, very short summer. Then it starts all over again with first fall. So while Joel is driving us to our friend's house, I'm gonna talk about Joel for a second. So do you guys remember in a vlog of mine I told you that a good friend of mine lost her husband? And so today when Joel took like an entire dump truck full of branches, like neighbors' branches, our branches. He took a full dump load truck full to the dump. Waited, how long did you wait in line to dump it?
About an hour.
About an hour. Oh, look, Can you see all the branches on the ground? Oh, I don't think I did that justice, but if you drive, every single street is lined with branches. So he took one load full, and then he went to my friend's house, and she was working and busy, and so he took my boys, and they just filled up another dump load full of branches. She was so happy. She messaged me and was just like, your husband is an angel, and his little elves were helping him. And anyway, she was so like grateful. I know that you were so tired. Like, Joel did not sleep at all last night. I'm gonna try really hard not to cry right now. Can you just see how all of the branches are on the ground, just lining the road? It's just everywhere. Anyway, she was just very, very, very appreciative. So I know you're tired, but you're being so great. Thank you so much for helping my friend, because it's important to me, which makes it important to Joel, and I just love that about you. Thank you.
We have located the children, and now I have a basement full of adolescent boys. I don't know how this happens. I feel like it just occurs somehow. But I proved on a recent trip I went on, Kong versus Godzilla versus Kong, and the kids have been dying, and I thought it was okay, so.
So are we gonna rent it? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I gotta find it somewhere.
Okay.
20 bones?
Just to rent it?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe you have to buy it and you can't rent
I'm not buying this thing.
Joel wants to watch the original.
Well, it's the old one.
Here, Pinky, go run put this in my bedroom. Run put that in my bedroom. Oh, and we need to all wash our hands.
Yeah,
Let's all wash our hands.
I'll go downstairs and wash mine.
You okay? Yeah, he had this like piece of cheese dangling all down his face. All right, we are doing pizza for dinner. And Olivia is still gone. Olivia's still with her friends. Oh,
Hey, they
good
remembered.
Salad, no bacon.
Yeah.
If you have any comments that you would like to comment, come to my Instagram. I will be posting a before and after photo of my hair. Come and leave a comment there on the video. Oh, Joel, thank you for the lighting. Come to my Instagram and comment on my post. Please don't leave me a DM. I can like receive and like locate your comments better on the in-feed post. So I will come and chat with you there. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
The song I made up. Thank you.